Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another quick wig review. This wig is from Klaiyi hair. Everything about her will be in my description box below. So let's get started. She is a 7x5 Yaki straight unit. She's glueless. She's already been plucked. I really love the construction of this unit. Y'all see in the back there is a drawstring. There is one comb. Also, there is that adjustable elastic band, and y'all see how thin that band is. That band is not as thick as other adjustable bands that are usually in wigs. So I was pleasantly surprised with the security of this wig. When I tell you this is a slip on and go type of wig, baby, I didn't even put makeup on this. I didn't put, do you hear me? I didn't put makeup on this, y'all. This literally came as is. I didn't have to use glue, adhesive, nothing. So because I want to show you guys how easy this hair is coming straight out the pack, the installation, how to flatten iron it and everything, I didn't want to necessarily put layers in her, but off camera I have put layers in her, and I've also cut her pretty bluntly at the end. I'm such a stickler for very straight hair. So once you put a flat iron in my hand, I'm going to take hours, y'all. Hours straightening this wig. This hair was giving very much Law Roach vibes, baby, because Law was good for a good bust down middle part. This hair is like butter. Butter. I love how well she holds heat. I tried to curl her at the ends, and obviously you see this hair really does hold a curl very well. So right now I am wearing her Glueless in this video. Like I told y'all, I use no adhesive spray, and as you can see, she does not move. I did a nice little quick cute tug on her, and she does not move. I love that. This hair definitely has a lot more pros than cons. That lace is beautiful. One of my favorite pros about this unit is the construction of this unit and how you have so much security within the cap. It comes with that drawstring, that adjustable band, so you really won't have to worry about your wig slipping off your head. As of now, the hair did not tangle, but she does have minimum shedding. And as y'all can see my little pumpkin at the end, I would like to thank Klaiyi Hair. I would like to thank you guys for coming back, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.